Okay, so here we are again, and pretty much not sure exactly what is wrong with it. It could be the heater core, or it could be the water pump. So we're not really sure which one of it is. Someone said if you fix one problem, you might be able to fix the other problem. But for the most part though, we're not sure. So we had already, again, we've changed the thermostat, the heater cover, radiator cover, radiator cap. I changed this thing here, the thermostat, and the gasket. And the gasket, mind you, is not leaking. Nope. Not leaking. That's right, baby, because Greg did a good job. Alright, the next thing is we did a coolant flush. So we flushed the coolant. Let's look inside here and see what we got. You know. See, look, it's pretty high still. Alright, well, I mean, pretty high in terms of, like, you can still see it. It's there. It's not all the way up. But that's pretty good. It actually helps for so much. Not open. So, we're still not sure. Still not sure which one it is. But for the most part, though, it could be one of the two. So, I can do, because right there, you see that one right there? That one is that's the water pump right there. Water pump's not leaking, but some of the chips inside might be broken. That could be the reason why it's not working properly. That's one. Number two, could be I still don't have enough coolant in the system. That's another thing there too. Let's check inside the coolant, by the way. Coolant nice and green, as you can see. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'm not sure you can see it, but it's actually green and it looks much better than it was before. So pretty much, this is where we're at. Hello, hi neighbor. So what happens is, like, you know, so we're in the process of just fixing it up. So for the record, the coolant was flushed 220. Today is 223. It's 23. Yeah, that was on Monday. Monday and Tuesday we drove it. 221 had no problems overheating, and so now we're going to take it. I'm probably going to take it to the mechanic shop and have them fix with the have them try and fix this part here, because if this is the only problem, then this problem will fix that one. If I fix this problem, which is, I mean, if I don't have them do that one, and I don't get heat coming into the car, but another thing too, then we know it's the water pump. The water pump fixes that one, then it's good. If we fix this one, it may not fix the problem there, or the overheating. So the overheating may be because there's no coolant. So that's kind of thing. My sister said check the fuses. So here's the front fuses and stuff. If any of the fuses are burnt out here. And these aren't the fuses that work it. You know, the one that might work it would be the blower motor relay, which is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is the blower motor relay. It's this one, right? The cigarette one, the starter relay, and then the see something auxiliary shutdown relay. Then you have low beam, high beam, park lamp, horn relay, fuel pump relay, auto shutdown relay, and clutch relay. So anyone's pertaining to the fuel pump 20A, that's 15 fuel pump. The fuel pump would not be a trouble, you know. Shouldn't be a trouble for the fuel pump. No, there's no damage to it. All my things are functioning properly. So, alright, so I'm going to stop there for now. This is pretty much what I have. Alright, I'm going to see if we can catch up to you. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Alright, so, focus not working. Alright, so I'm going to see what happens and get this to work, alright? So, we're going to go for a drive right now and see how it goes. Alright, so talk to you soon. Okay, bye. Okay, so here am I at the gas station. I think I might have done the whole surrender thing, where I'm just going to go ahead and go along with the surrendering aspect of, like, I did everything I could possibly. I did the thermostat, I did the thermostat, the radiator cap, I did the coolant flush several times, and now at the part where just saying, you know, hey, I'm going to go ahead and just make sure I got it all right, because this car is my bread and butter, and so I had to make sure it's right. So, you know, thank God for, you know, just being an opportunity to have a mechanic that can help us with our car, and so we're just hoping that this is enough for us to be able to get it fixed, you know. Anyway, long story short, I'm just kind of like really, I feel two ways about it. Like, I don't want to give up, because I know I can do the water pump myself, you know. I know I can do it. I really know I can do it. If I could do the thermostat, I could do the water pump. And I've worked with pulleys before. I had the pulley thing happen in my other car. I had to fix and move and manipulate the pulley several times. But anyway, so sometimes you just gotta, like, let the people who have the better tools to do it. Then, you know, because I have to hoist his car up into a jack and all that stuff, and I can't do it at this point. Well, not jack, but onto a lift. so I can get under it, you know? Anyway, long story short, let you know how it goes. Alright, bye. Okay, it goes. So here we have so far, here's my car, it's up on the lift. I surrendered to the gas station, to the mechanics to have them fix it. And so right now he's working on the car. He took away the thing, the tire, and he's right now working on the pulley system. He took away the engine guard cover. And so right there, he's just working on it. Alright, so right there at the front.
Huh? You got scared? Oh, yeah. I was wondering, like, some car hit the door or something? Oh, okay. Okay. You should time it.
What? I'm recording. It's my YouTube. So the other car. Block my view. Oh, dag. Dig it. Now I can't see. Now I have to go over there. Monkey poos. So here you have it. This is my old water pump. See how it is? There's no blades on it. Oh my goodness. It's all sharp. Oh my goodness. All sharp. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Look at this screen. Oh my goodness. There's no blades on this thing.
Good.
Look at this.
Oh.
Yeah. This has no.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, cool. It has no fans on it. Yes.
Yeah, the water pump thing is like totally corroded.
There's no fan on it, so no water to move.
Make the water go around in your engine.
Oh my, it was the water pump. So it was the water pump. So yeah, it was bad. You know, I must admit, this car is a very good car. This is a water pump, right? And so what happens, there's supposed to be like fins on it. I showed you guys the other one that I had before. But this one here has no fins because what happened is the rust of it took apart the fins. So there was no circulation of water. So this right here is a car heart attack. Our car had a heart attack. Okay. So cool. Our car had a heart attack and now they fixed it. They gave it a new heart. So now it can pump the water and it can go through. Let me show you the top side and this side. I'm going to go pay for the damages now. And praise God, it was the water pump. Water pump. Okay, so here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So here we have it. I thought it was going to be, maybe it was the water pump Gremlin, or it was going to be the heater core Gremlin. But what ended up happening was, it wasn't either it was actually the water pump Gremlin. The Gremlin holding the water pump. Why? Because what happened was, like we showed you before, the blades. And so now let me show you how it is. What is working right now. You have the temperature gauge right here. Right there, it's holding steady. The car is on, right? Also, I got fuel in the car this time, so that's really cool. A lot more fuel in the car than last time, but that wasn't anything to mess anything up with. There's that. Okay, now here's the temperature gun. You got a temperature gun right here. I'm gonna go ahead and shine inside of it. So you got right here. You got 123 degrees. Show on the surface. Surface is 72. The vents are 107. I'm gonna put up the heat for a second. Wow, feel that heat, baby. Wow. Feel the heat. Okay, that's 128, 130, 131. Woo! It's a sweltering up in here. All right, so it's nice and toasty up in this grill. Yo-yos. Okay, so anyway, so that's kind of the, let me turn on before we burn up. So that was a big thing, and that deal is now over. So yeah, I want to thank God for this opportunity. Thank God for the special donor that came along and helped us. You know, which is us. And thank God for all the you know, all the people who prayed for us and was concerned about us and helped us with, you know, their thoughts and prayers, as well as you know, a bucket, and with giving us advice. Some people said it was the heater core. I thought it was a heater core. Some people said it was maybe it was a fuse. I thought maybe it was a fuse too. But then just changing the water pump and the different parts to it, that actually changed up a whole lot of stuff. So I thank God for that, and just want to say thank you so much. You see me? Hey, this is me. This is me right here. Just want to say hello, and I'm right here. And then here's Amy. Hey, Amy. Hi. All right, so that's it. And thank you all for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching our channel. And if you want a Gremlin, let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and let me know some of the thoughts you have about this adventure and how it took this many days. All right, so God bless you, and thank you again. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.